What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So yesterday I kind of posted a emergency video with Arbor Realty Trust, and check that out. The DOJ is probing them, and I feel pretty confident with them. I really do think the CEO is very transparent. I'm just going to sum this up. Like, anytime you're under investigation, okay, you just say, here you go. If you get like the IRS after you, I pretty much cross my T's and dot my I's. I have an accountant who's extremely good, and she does it for me. When you're busy, but literally when you hand people the paperwork and say, here you go, I feel pretty confident. If I ever was under investigation, I'd just say, here you go. Do you want some coffee and whatever? Like, this is what I got for you. So I feel pretty good about them. I did actually throw $370 in them yesterday. But on to a dividend growth stock that I promised you I would reveal to you. Tomorrow I'm actually going to reveal to you 2 Canadian dividend stocks that I added to my arsenal with the Dividendo manifesto. But this dividend stock, okay, this one, a lot of companies use. Okay, so, my philosophy, it's always evolving and changing. And yes, I do have a lot of holdings, and I'm glad that M1 Finance allowed me to have these holdings. It's almost like I created my own ETF. Now, everybody's different. I think eventually I will create a pie for all of you guys that has passive income that generates quarterly dividend stocks into monthly dividends, where a distribution schedule is good and it has dividend growth. I will create one for you guys probably in September, and we'll go over that really in depth. That's when I'm going to get really active on the channel after boards. But this one is I like to call it a juggernaut stock. One, its revenue is done really well. Its dividend growth is phenomenal, and you can't really say no to it. So I'm going to reveal it to you. And again, thank you so much for being amazing YouTube subscribers. 15,400 plus dividend warriors on this YouTube channel. I want to thank you guys so much. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Let's get to 15,500 and beyond. Smash that like button. Let's check out this dividend growth stock right now. And why wouldn't I own automatic data processing? Why? I would be crazy not to buy shares of them. They have not done too hot against the S&P lately. In fact, they were in line with the S&P, very close, beating them a little bit. Now they're down, sitting at $238.02. Dividend yield at 2.35%, a PE ratio of 26.57, average volume 1.70 million. The market cap is 97.42 billion US dollars. G range is 205.53 to 256.84. Day range is 235.99 and 239.47. Previous close is 235.63. Now, let's think about this. Why did I buy this? I'm going to provide you my rationales. How many companies have you worked for that you log on to ADP to see your paychecks? Okay? This is a company that human resources and a lot of companies use for data processing and paychecks and information and all that. Specifically, like, paychecks, which is nice. And the data processing is very nice. It's very convenient for companies. My travel nurse company uses ADP. My a big hospital system that I work with in Cleveland area, Northeast Ohio. They're expanding like crazy. I'll just give you a hint. They're the official hospital that's has the name with the Cleveland Browns. They use ADP. I remember some previous employers as well using ADP. So ADP is very convenient for a lot of companies, and they generate a lot of revenue. So we're going to go over that with their revenue trends, which have been fantastic. And the price is just too attractive to say no to, and I had to capitalize on it. So I'm going to go over the quarterly trends and then annual trends, okay? Because we need to see the big picture. Remember, I like companies that make money. If they're going to make money, they're usually going to hike their dividends with the confidence of the board of directors. So quarterly revenue in June 2023, $4.48 billion. So the year-to-year change up 8.48%. The operating expense, $1.06 billion, that was up 2.04%. Net income was $776.70 million, that was up 24.17%. Net profit margin up 14.52%, it was at 17.35. Earnings per share 1.89, it was up 26%. EBITDA, it was at 1.19 billion, that was up 26.51%. September 2023, everything was up. Revenue was at $4.51 billion. That was up 7.04%. Operating expense, $993.10 million. That was up 10.58%. Net income was $859.40 million. That was up 10.32%. Net profit margin, 19.05. That was up 3.08%. Earnings per share, 2.08, that was up 11.83%. EBITDA, $1.27 billion, that was up 8.41%. So this is on Google Finance. Again, December 2023, the quarterly earnings, that was up 6.31%. That was at $4.67 billion. The operating expense, $1.03 billion. That was up 8.28%. Net income, $878.40 million. That was up 8.03%. Net profit margin 18.82, that was up 1.62%. Earnings per share 2.13, that was up 8.67%. EBITDA, it was at 1.33 billion, that was up 7.94%. Everything's going up. That's what I like. Again, dividend growth always wins. Yes, I invest in Yieldmax ETFs. Yes, I invest in REITs, but the dividend growth on companies versus REITs, okay, is a lot more bigger and more powerful. Yes, I do like the income from the REITs, but companies like these, they're a juggernaut. Okay, look at this. The revenue, March 2024, $5.25 billion. That was up 6.62%. Again, this is quarterly. Operating expense, $1.05 billion. That was up 1.08%. Net income, $1.18 billion. That was up 13.59%. Now you're seeing why I'm buying it. Net profit margin 22.55. That was up 6.52%. Earnings per share 2.88. That was up 14.29%. EBITDA, that was at 1.70 billion. That was up 11.98%. Now, this is just quarterly trends. I'm going to go to yearly trends on macro trends. And looking at a stock like this, say like a recession happens, pandemic, they're still generating money. They have to. I mean, companies use them. So this is annual data in millions US dollars. 2013, 9,442. 2014, 10,226. 2015, 10,938. 2016, 11,667. 2017, 12,372. 2018, 13,274. 2019, 14,110. 2020, 14,589. 2021, 15,005. 2022, 16,498. 2023, 18,012. Everything's going up, and I just showed you the most recent quarterly trends. Now let's go on Zacks.com and check out their dividend history. I absolutely love this. So let's start in 2009, quarterly dividend 33 cents, 2010 34 cents, 2011 36 cents, 2012 40 cents, 2013 44 cents, 2014 48 cents, 2015 49 cents, 2016 53 cents, 2017 57 cents, 2018 63 cents to 69 cents, 2019 79 cents, 2020 91 cents, 2021 93 cents, 2022 104, 2023 125, 2024 140. Now, a little bit of a high payout ratio at 62%, but they are a busy business. They're busy. I feel okay with their payout ratio being a little bit elevated. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. I showed you everything with the trends that increased my confidence with them. Dividend growth 5 years, 12.07%. So if you bought one share, you made $5.60 with a 2.35% dividend yield. This is why I bought it. Yes, the payout ratio, according to Zacks, is high, 62%. But again, look at how busy they are. Look at how effective they are. And that's what sold me on them. So you don't have to buy it because I buy it, but I'm just providing you my rationales and showing you my dividend investing journey. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I will have a video for you tomorrow with the Canadian dividend stocks. I got to give my Canadian dividend investors some love. Take care and have a great Saturday. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Yes, I do own shares of ADP, which I just am buying, and this is new. I plan on using them as a buy and hold forever dividend stock. I really encourage you, and again, you should not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice or tax advice. I encourage you to go see a tax advisor for tax advice and a financial advisor for financial advice. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money, so be aware and do your due diligence when it comes to investing. I do own stocks in these videos, and I'll tell you if I own them or if I sell them. So I just want to be clear. I do have that in the comment section, and again, anytime I do videos, you should not use this for financial advice. This is strictly entertainment purposes only, and this is my passive income journey. So you guys take care and have a great Saturday.